Hello, Mabel Canton Elementary students. Great day to have you in class with me again. I spoke with my cousin Tanaka Hirohito Morken, and he had a great time doing the workout with you guys. I really thought today was a day I was going to be able to lead us. We got done shingling at Coach T's house, thank heavens, but now he needs help with putting new carpet in. We got to tear out carpet, put new carpet in. He's going to really owe me big after we get done with this Corona get-in. So super excited to see how these workouts are going for you, and can't wait till I can do them with you. So hopefully tomorrow is the day. All right, we'll see you at Mabel Canton Elementary. Hey, Mabel Canton Elementary students, how are you doing today? My name is Bubba Ray Morken, and I'm one of Lonnie Morken's cousins. I just got back from my truck. I'm a truck driver, and I was delivering goods all over the United States, and I came back, parked just in time for a workout. We got a special treat here today. I got my two kids. They're going to join us. I got Billy Ray Morken and Bobby Ray Morken, and they're coming right now to do the workouts. Here we go. Can you wave to the camera? All right. This distant learning, homeschooling thing isn't new. I've been doing it since they were 3. They jump in the truck and they're driving with me all over the United States. Billy Ray, what's the capital of New Hampshire? Okay. Bobby Ray, who is the 10th president of the United States? I'm a better truck driver than a teacher, I guess. So anyway, we're going to get things started here. I'm going to get some tunes going. And like all truck drivers, we love listening to the 80s. We love listening to the 80s. So we are going to get things started right here. With a little Michael Jackson, who doesn't like the King of Pop? So we're gonna get going, and the first thing we're gonna do, we gotta warm up. I'm gonna get rid of my hat, man. Here we go. I love my hair. Here we go. We're gonna do some jumping jacks. So here we go. We're gonna do a few jumping jacks, kind of get loose. We're gonna get things going. Great job. Keep doing the jumping jacks. Keep doing the jumping jacks. Great job. And now we're gonna switch into some arm twists and leg twists. Here we go. We're just going to shake them out a little bit. Great job. Here we go. And now, since we're a truck driver, guys, we gotta turn the steering wheel. So right now we're gonna take both hands on the steering wheel, and we're turning back and forth. We're on a windy road. Windy road. Here we go. Now we're going just one arm. Here we go. One arm. Back and forth. Great job. Great job. Other arm. Back and forth. Woo! All right. Sounds good. We're into our workout now. First thing we're doing is something called a lunge. So I would like all of you to start with 1 foot forward. And all that I'm going to try and do is drop straight down and get my back knee close to the ground. Some of you that are a little more flexible might be able to go lower. Some of you that aren't as flexible won't go quite as low, and that's okay. That's okay. A couple important things. We want to keep our shoulders up, our head up. We don't want to slouch and go forward. We don't want our knee that's in front to go in front of our toes that are in our front foot. So we want to kind of try and keep our front knee behind our toes. So we're going to do 10 with our left foot forward. All right. Ready, begin. Here we go. 1, great job. 2, you can put your hands up if you want. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Great job. Here we go. We're going with the other foot forward now. Here we go. Down. Ready, begin. 1. Try and drop straight down. 2. Great job. 3, 4, those knees up. Great job. Pump those arms. Pump those arms. Here we go. Great job. This Michael Jackson just gets me pumped up to work out. Here we go. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got one more set. One more set. Here we go. Here we go. High knees. One more set. All right, here we go. Get those knees up. 30 seconds. We got this. Here we go. Get those knees up. Pump those arms. Here we go. Here we go. Don't make a fist. We don't want to do this. Keep those hands open. All right, all right. And stop. Great job, great job. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to skip for height. So instead of taking a normal skip like this, we're going to try and get our knee up as high as we can. So if I can bring my knee up to my chest, that's what we want. So we're going to do 10 skips for height, rest, and then we're going to go again. So we're going to do 10. And every time I jump, I'm jumping with my arms. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half done. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And as always, if you want to get a quick drink, get a quick drink. Woo! We're all going to be in shape like a truck driver after today's workout, let me tell you. Oh my. Woo! Great. And you can see we're practicing our social distancing. Even with my kids, we're 6 feet apart, baby. Here we go. All right, we got 10 more high jumps. Here we go, or skip for height. I need a ponytail holder for my hair. Goodness, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, that's a lot of lower body stuff. Now we're going upper body. We're gonna put one foot forward. We're gonna put both arms up. We're gonna do something called a jab and a cross. So both of these together will count as one. We're doing 20 it this way, then we're gonna switch and go the other side. Now we wanna make sure that we're keeping both arms up the entire time. So we're gonna go with a jab and then a cross. So we're gonna do 20 all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, half done, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, shake it out, shake it out. Kids, if you want to get a drink as quickly as you can. I don't know if you're pooped out or need a little break. Great job, great job. So now we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to have our other foot forward. All right, here we go, here we go. Get our arms up. So again, we'll jab with our right arm this time and cross with our left, unless you're the other way around. Whichever way you did the first time, we'll do the opposite. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're doing 20. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5 left, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Woo! Great job, great job. We're now going to pretend we have a stool in front of us. We're going to try and lift our right leg over the stool and then lift it back. Some of you that are really flexible will have a higher stool, and some of you that aren't very flexible, like Bubba Ray here, will keep it nice and low. All right, so we have 15 lift over the chair, over the stool. Here we go. 1 and back. 2, great job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 10, 5 left, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, great job. If you can't go as fast as me, that's okay. I'm a truck driver, man. These are my truck driving kids, so don't feel bad if you can't keep up. Do the best job you can. Here we go. Left leg, here we go. 1, bring it back. 2, 3, 4, great job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 left, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! All right, I love it. And like always, if you get really tired, woo! Makes you feel good, makes you feel better. All right, the next thing we're gonna do something called a plank with an arm raise. So we're gonna get into a plank position on our forearms, our elbows, and our wrists, on our toes. And when I say right, we're just gonna lift our right arm up and come back down into our plank. When I say left, we're gonna lift our left arm up. So it'll look something like this. Look something like this. So I'm in a good plank position. Right. 1. Left. 2. Right. 3. Left. 4. Right. 5. Left. 6. Right. 7. Left. 8. Right. 9. Left. 10. All right. Woo! Woo! We got one more group of 10. One more group of 10. I'm used to having work boots on, not tennis shoes, so I gotta tie my shoes here for the rest of our workout. These are more comfortable than my boots, I'll tell you that though. All right. Woo! All right, one set of 10 left. Planks and arm raises. Here we go. Everybody is down. Straight back. Here we go. Left. Let's go to the left. Right. 2. Left. 3. Right. 4. Left. 5. Right. 6. Left. 7. Right. 8. Left. 9. Right. 10. Woo! Great job. Great job, great job. Woo! Get a little muddy, a little sweaty. Say us truck drivers like it. Here we go. And those of you that are getting tired out, we're well past the halfway mark. Great job. Okay, next thing we're gonna do 25 crunches followed by 5 push-ups. They're gonna do the first set on their own. I'm just gonna review some things. You guys can lay down. You can have your arms anywhere you want. You can have them behind you, cross up right by your ears. We just wanna make sure that we're not lifting our head with our arms. All right, 25 crunches, ready to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 5 left, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Great job. Spin around. Now we have 5 push-ups. Now you can do a modified push-up, which is kind of on our leg, on our knees, getting flat, or a regular push-up. Completely up to you. Here we go. 5 of these. Down. 1. Down. 2. Down. 3. down, 4, down, 5, spin around, 25 crunches, here we go. Last set, here we go. Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Spin around, 5 push-ups, and we're done with this one. Here we go. Ready, begin. Down, 1, down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5. Great job, guys. Get a quick drink, Next up, here we go. We got everybody's favorite, foot fire with quarter turns. Foot fire with quarter turns. So we're gonna start out moving our feet as fast as we can. Some of you will look like this. Some of you will look like a truck driver and do this. It's completely up to you. When I say right, we're gonna jump and turn to the right, and then jump and turn back as quickly as we can. Now these aren't high jumps. When I say right, I don't want to see anybody do this. These are quick jumps, We call it foot fire because it's like our feet are on top of hot coals. They're on fire. All right, we're going for 15 seconds. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Fire, here we go. Left, here we go. Right, great job. Right, whoops, I went left. Right, here we go. Keep going. Left, right, left, and stop. Great job. We got 1 set left. Billy Ray, Bobby Ray, we're almost done. Spent a long time in the truck. We're ready to get out and start working out again. All right. Woo! Here we go. Okay. Foot fire. Here we go. Left. Keep going. Right. Left. Nice job. Right. Here we go. Left. Left. Tricked ya. Here we go. Right. And we're done. Great workout. Mabel Candy Elementary. Our cool down. Here we go. We're going to do some trunk twists. So we're just going to turn to the side. Under control. Maybe lean to one side. Lean to the other side. Maybe lean back. Great job. Yes, it feels great. Feels great. Here we go. We're going to shake our arms, shake our feet again. So just kind of shake them out a little bit. Great job. And the last one, guys, we're stretching. Controlled stretching. So let's move to the left, nice and easy. Kind of hold it. Great job. I bet this is Coach T calling me. He's interrupting our workout again. Here we go. To the right. Great job. Woo! Straight down. Here we go.